Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Drawing Time with Steve, where you guys can draw along with me. Hey, did you hear that? That sounds like the rain falling. In fact, that's what we're going to draw today. Rain. Are you ready to draw rain with me? Great. Okay, so first off, we're going to draw some raindrops falling down from the sky. So, I'll use my blue crayon to draw some raindrops falling down from the sky. Kind of like ovals to me, don't you think? There. And now, oh, 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 we can't forget a rain cloud, so I'll just draw a big curvy line for a rain cloud like this. There. Rain. That's your drawing of a rain. Oh, very nice. Hey, thanks so much for drawing along with me. We'll see you soon.